In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new secret to your GitHub code space. This might sound a bit technical at first, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through every step of the process, making it as simple and straightforward as possible. We'll start our journey right at the GitHub dashboard. Here, you're probably familiar with the layout, and towards the upper right corner, you'll see an icon that represents your profile. Go ahead and click on that. This icon is your gateway to a variety of options, but the one we're interested in today is right there in the drop-down menu. It's your settings, BIOS. By selecting Settings, you're entering the control hub for your account, where you can manage everything from your profile information to your repositories. Now, once you're in Settings, take a look over to the left-hand side. There you'll find a list of options. We need to ensure that we're working under Code Spaces, which is GitHub's powerful cloud-based development environment. So make sure to click on Code Spaces if you haven't already. Once you've landed on this section, you'll see something quite helpful. A tab labeled Secrets. This is where you can securely store sensitive information like API keys, tokens, or any other configuration values you want to keep private. So our next action step is to navigate to the Secrets panel and click on the button that says New Secret. This is where you'll be able to add a new entry. In the form that appears, you'll notice two fields that need your attention: the name and the value. The name field is where you'll give your secret a recognizable label. This could be anything that makes sense to you and helps you identify what the secret is for in the future. So take a moment to think through an appropriate name. Make sure it's something that will be easily identifiable for you later on. The value field is the important one. Here, you'll enter the actual secret content. Be it an API key, a token, or any sensitive information that only you should have access to through your code space. After you've carefully entered both the name and the value, all that's left to do is to click Add Secret. This action officially stores your information securely within GitHub, and voila, you've now successfully added a secret to your GitHub code space. And that's it. You are now ready to utilize your secret in your cloud-based development environment. Remember, secrets are a great way to keep sensitive information secure, so use them wisely. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and